We all know that good things last when you take care of them. And really, it's no different for your air conditioning system. When you consider the amount of work your furnace and AC do, hour by hour, day by day, year after year, you could save yourself the headaches, time, and money that comes with repairs and ensure your house is cooled on those hot summer days, simply by having your air conditioning system checked and maintained annually. What people may not realize is that all AC systems require regular maintenance and tune-ups to run efficiently. And a system that goes without service, not only could it result in premature wear and tear on key components, but it could also experience additional stress that reduces its life and efficiency. So regardless of the age of your air conditioner, plan for seasonal maintenance with a professional early in the spring before those hot summer days hit. At Reliance, our friendly, expert technicians are always available to make sure your system is running efficiently. We'll be there when you need us and are always mindful of your time and your home. Call on us to have your system expertly serviced or sign up for one of our maintenance and protection plans to make sure you're always covered.